That's Fred.
Uh-huh. But today, we're not going to play with him. We're going to use him to learn good manners. Okay, now let's pretend this is the first time you're meeting Fred. What do you say?
Hey there.
No, you say, how do you do?
How do you do?
No. You have to say it with a slight bow of your head.
How do you do?
Can't knock him over. But in case you do, you say...
Uh-oh.
No, you say, I beg your pardon. Really, Clifford, hasn't living with me taught you anything?
The rabbits eat a lot of carrots?
Hey, Clifford! Over here, buddy. It's time to dig some dirt.
Oh, sorry, Daffodil. It's not good manners to keep Jorge waiting.
Well, at least he learned something.